How to report your Robinhood losses on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to get your Robinhood tax documents. For that, you can log into Robinhood, then go to account, then select tax documents. Now download your form 1099 from there. Once that is done, you will need to import Robinhood transactions into TurboTax. For that, open TurboTax and sign into your account. Now go to wages and income. Then from there, select investments and savings. Click on add/edit. Now, a list of financial institutions will be given over here. Go ahead and select Robinhood from the list. Then you will have to sign into your Robinhood account and authorize the import. If you cannot import your 1099, you can enter your losses manually. For that, you will have to enter details such as stock name, date purchased and sold, buy price, sell price. After this, you can claim losses to lower your taxes. Then you want to review all the information you have entered. Then you can e-file with TurboTax for the fastest processing. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.